What's good, YouTube? It's your boy FX Ranky, and I'm super excited to be on your screen again and to welcome you all into this amazing video. So guys, I know I haven't posted in a while. My last video was like a month ago, but I intended to post my next video when I had this stuff, which is a mic. I said I was going to post next on YouTube when I've gotten this mic, and when I also have a Propfirm account, like a real, not a demo account, a real Propfirm account, to show you guys and to document on this channel. That was when I was going to post my next YouTube, and I'm super grateful to God. I have both stuffs now. I have the mic and I also have a Propfirm account ready to document, and this is going to be the first episode of this series. This series is going to be about trying to get $10,000 in Propfirm withdrawal. So it's going to be titled, as you've already seen, Road to $10K in Propfirm withdrawal. And what is this series going to be about? Well, I'm going to show you all my whole entire journey in passing this Propfirm account to getting another Propfirm account, to withdrawing from this Propfirm account, getting other Propfirm accounts that I'm going to. The goal basically is not to get many Propfirm accounts. The goal is to withdraw $10,000 from Propfirms. You know, a lot of people come on here and then they show you guys 100,000 in 1 day, but they haven't really made such amount. So I'm just putting it like a challenge to myself to just do this and bring you all along with me. So I'm going to go in on my screen. This video is also going to be a weekly analysis video to show you all what I already have like set up for next week. But the proper video, because I haven't taken any trade yet on this Propfirm account for this challenge, so it's going to be from next week, and I'm going to be recording every day, like till the videos are going to be posted every Saturday, and I'm going to be recording my journey trading the account during the week, and then on weekends I post the video so you can see the whole journey from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on how I was trying to pass that account. Then it gets posted on Saturday. So I didn't do that this week, obviously, because I got the account this week, and also I haven't taken any trade on the account, so it's going to start next week. So this video is also a road to 10K in withdrawal from Propfirms, and also a weekly analysis video, or let's talk Forex, for those of you that know. If you know, you know. So without further ado, I will be hopping on my chart now to show you guys the juicy pairs that I have ready for next week. If they play out, I'm going to be taking the trade, and I'm going to be bringing you all along. But before I do that, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification icon so you can be seeing my videos earlier than others. And yeah, let's jump into the screen right now. Let's go. What's good for you shaders? Welcome inside my screen. So guys, I'll be starting this whole analysis without further ado, let me just set everything the way it's supposed to be. So I'll be starting this whole analysis with GBPUSD, which is the first pair that we'll be looking at today. You all know we've had our own share. I've had my own share personally with GBPUSD, and it wasn't a pleasant experience. I would say that much. So let's just find GBPUSD. GBPUSD is always running away from me. So this is the first pair I'll be going over today, and we'll be starting on the weekly. I'm obviously not going to give you all like full detail, you know, analysis, but I'll give you guys this much. So what are we seeing on GBPUSD? We can see that there's a resistance. That's the first thing. First of all, I will tell you this. I got this from my mentor. Go over the things that you can see, like the obvious things you can see on the chart. Those are the first things you need to address. So the first thing I see here is this guy. There's a resistance here that held the market 1, 2, 3 times, and this is on the weekly time frame. So that's really huge. So I know that there's a resistance up here. There's a resistance up here, and what do I do next? Now I want to be looking for, okay, if there's a resistance here, don't that mean that this market should at least come to a level like this? And why did I say that? Because this first time this market got here, it tested here, it got here again, it tested here, and you see it rejected from here, went up. Remember, this is a weekly time frame, so this rejection is a very huge one, and then it broke it. Now it's reaching here, so at least it should come and test here again, and this is the sell that I want to catch. So what do? I go down, I scale down to the daily time frame. I scale down to the daily time frame. So now on the daily time frame, what do we see? So now we can see that first of all, there is this very clear trend line, and you can see the trend line coming from this bottom all the way connecting to these two other touch. So that is making it 3 touches on this trend line. So market tested here once, it tested here twice, tested here 3 times, and then it broke it. Now I will be showing you a screenshot because I actually called this trade. I caught the trade. I did not take it because I was personally waiting for more confirmations and more confluence. But I know people that took the trade. I sent the trade to a lot of people and they took it. I personally did not take it because I was waiting for something else. But you can see here, what do you want to do if market has broken out of your trend line? This is a clear break. This is a sweet rejection into this 50. If we plot our Fibonacci from here now, let me plot it and show you all. So we plot our Fibonacci from swing high, which is here, to swing low, which is here. And now what can you see? Fibonacci was tested perfectly. It was tested perfectly. And what do we expect? A drop from here. And now why I did not take this trade was because of this. This support. This was why I did not take this trade, and this was why I told a lot of people that this trade was a risky one. Let me check if this is recording. Okay, it is. So this was why I told people that this trade is a risky one. But I'm still going to, let me show you guys the trade I'm going to be taking if it play out next week. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, which is our entry time frame. So now, as you can see here, this was the trade I called. This was our last loss on GBPUSD. So this was the trade I called. A screenshot to be up here somewhere right about now. And this was the trade I called. And you can see it played out. It gave us a 1:1. A 1:1 already. This is a 1:8 overall, 1:7 overall. So it's a really good trade. It's a really good trade. People that sold from here are already really happy with with the result they are getting. But what are we waiting for? Me personally, I'm waiting for this. A break, a clear break. You see the market is still stalling around here. So I would want a clear break, a clear retracement, a candle confirmation, and then we sell to this downside. So this is what I'm looking forward to in GBPUSD. So you can see, for those people that took here, for those people that took around here, you all are welcome. And I've just showed you guys what I'll be expecting for GBPUSD. So let's move on to the next pair. I don't want this to be long. The next pair is AUDJPY. So AUDJPY, what can we see? What can we see here? I mean, it's pretty clear. If you can't see this, then then I don't know what I will say to you. It's pretty clear, and we are targeting this zone. So what is it that we saw, and why are we taking this trade? I'm going to be starting on the daily because I don't want to take much time. So on the daily, we saw the market broke here, retraced, broke here, retraced. Now it has broken above here, and there's a retracement. So it's just very simple. I mean, this market is trending upward. So I do feel like there could be a major retracement into somewhere like this and then buy. Well, do I think that is going to happen now? Not really. I feel like the market will do more of this before it does that retracement. Well, anyways, this is what I'm looking out for. I place my Fibonacci. Of course, you see where I place my Fibonacci from swing low. Sorry about that. From swing low to swing high, and then in here. Market is in here now. So what are we waiting for? Very simple. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame, what we are waiting for is just a bullish candle. A bullish candle, listen very carefully. A bullish candle, an evening star, and an evening star pattern, or a hammer formation, or a hammer candlestick formation. So a bullish engulfing, an evening star pattern, or a hammer or pin bar candlestick formation around here, or multiple pin bar. It will not be only one pin bar, it will be like 3 pin bar. That is when I can take this trade on AUDJPY. So you can see it's a very sweet trade. 1:7, right? 1:6. So now let's go on to the next pair. This is what I'm looking at for in AUDJPY. Let's go. So now our next pair is AUDNZD, and those of you that know, if you don't know, check my last video on YouTube. I spoke about this trade when the market was here, exactly here. I spoke about the trade, but I later told you all not to take this trade. Why did I say that? Because the market did not fully form, like did not fully give me all the confirmation or confluence I needed. So I told you all not to take the trade. And do I regret that? Not really, because I followed my plan. But you can see the market has gone up so well, and yeah, it has gone up so well. So but the market bought all the way to this point, and now if we place our Fibonacci is my favorite tool, by the way. If you want to know, followed by trend line and support and resistance is not really a tool. So if you place our Fibonacci tool from swing high to swing low, of course you would see that market is, sorry for this, you see that market is above this support. So there's this support and market is trading above here. What do we want to happen? We want market to trade into this Fibonacci, give us one of the 3 candlestick formation I told you all about, and then we buy all the way to this point or this point. So this is the 3rd pair. I think this will be all. I think this will be all for today. This is all the pairs for next week or for this week, depending on when you are watching the video. So guys, I will talk to you guys in my other screen. Let's go. What's good, guys? So welcome back to this part of my screen. So guys, this is the end of our video. This is the end of today's video. We went over 3 pairs. I spoke about GU, AUDJPY, and AUDNZD. And let's see, next week, if they play out, we are going to be taking those trades. And I also introduced this new series to you all that's going to be starting next week, every Saturday, 3 p.m. Nigerian time. So guys, until next time, I'm going to see you all. But before we go, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notification icon so you'll be among the first people to see my videos. And until next time, guys, I'm going to see you guys.